Well, folks, back for one last quick vlog to let you know we just finished up having a little bit of an incident here. One of our other people here in one of our other apartments here was making a little bit of a late night snack. They put like some popcorn in the microwave and then left it in there long enough where I guess it actually kind of, little by little started to catch in the flames. And so then our fire alarm just had been going off. We had two fire trucks here. One truck just left. There's one is still here. You can see a little bit of the lights of the one truck that's still here. Looks like the rest of the crew is just about leaving now. Pretty much, yep. Looks like the rest of the crew is leaving now. Rest of the crew is leaving now. Pretty much. Yep. No fire here, but just somebody was making a late night snack, and then they left it in their microwave long enough to the point where it really started smoking up pretty good. But oh, you can see the light from the truck that's been still here. Yep, they're backing up now they're leaving. Now they're getting ready to leave now. Oh, well, they're not leaving completely yet. I guess they were just kind of turning around, getting the truck into the mode that they got to get into to get ready to pull out shortly. Well, little way to end Mother's Day. Little way to end Mother's Day. Little way to end Mother's Day. Mother's Day 2019 here. Oh, there they go. I think. Yep, there they go. There they go. Yep, now the rest of the crew. Now the rest of the crew is clear to leave now. All right, that's it right there. We'll just have a good night, everybody. Enjoy the last little bit of your Mother's Day 2019. Even though ended on a little bit of an exciting note here with brief little fire alarm tonight from one of our other people's apartments here. But other than that, not a bad Mother's Day 2019. We'll see you in the next vlog, in the next video. Peace.